Welcome to Personal Financeology. Today, I'd like to talk about taxes because we're coming up on January 31st, which is when most companies are required to legally have submitted your W-2s to be mailed out to you, and you may already have your W-2 in hand because you've opted for an electronic copy. So if you have your W-2 and your other necessary forms to file your taxes, then we can go ahead and talk about today's topic. A lot of people are familiar with, for example, H&R Block. H&R Block is a resource where you can go and have your taxes filed. Now, a lot of people think that they have to pay in order to get their taxes done. You can do your taxes on your own, at home, and you can do that through H&R Block if you would like. To qualify, there's actually free programs. So with H&R Block, if your AGI is less than 69,000 or less, and you answer yes to any of the questions below, which are you between the ages of 17 through 51 years of age, were you an active duty military member, or do you qualify for earned income tax credit? Doesn't mean you need all three. It just means that you need to fall into one of those categories. Now, state filing is a little bit different, but if you prefer H&R Block and that's your go-to team, and you make less than 69,000, AGI stands for adjusted gross income, then you can start and get H&R Block to file your taxes without having to pay out of pocket. Now, another program that people use if they file taxes on their own is TurboTax. TurboTax will also offer you the ability to file for free, but the qualifications are a little more strict. So for TurboTax, your adjusted gross income would need to be less than 36,000. Or if you were an active duty military member in 2019 with an AGI of 69,000 or less, you would also qualify. Or if you have the earned income tax credit, you would qualify as well. TurboTax is easy and great, so you can click here to qualify and get started. Now, those are just two examples. If you go to the IRS's website, you'll see that you can free file your taxes online. There's a lookup tool here that will help you by answering some questions about your income, your age, and state, because some of the programs, if you take a look below, we have, which one was it? Free 1040 tax return. You need to live in one of these states here to qualify. And there were a couple others, I believe, where it matters where you live. So, for example, if you wanted to use 1040 now, your AGI would need to be 69,000 or less, and you must live in one of those following states here. So if you don't live in one of those states, then you would not be able to use 1040 now. TurboTax has a low threshold here, so if you do earn less than 36,000, don't pay TurboTax when you can do it for free. And other programs, EasyTaxReturn.com has an AGI of 69,000 and any age, and you must live in one of these following states here. But all you have to do is go to apps.irs.gov/app/free file, or you can go to Google, type in free file IRS, and it should be one of the first results. Let's actually take a look and see what happens if you try that. Free File IRS. Here it is on Google. The first two, and I spelled free incorrectly, so let's try this again. Actually, the first four are all ads, as you can see. But your first actual search result, which I looked at 2 days ago, is your free file. Do your federal taxes for free. If you meet these qualifications, then go ahead, free file, don't pay. And also, if you've made it this far, please click on subscribe and check out some of the other videos that I have posted. I would love any input if you have as well. Otherwise, have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.